And if he cries for me, I'm gonna go get him.
We'll take a nap.
Stuck? 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 Yeah, you say stuck now. Go. Stuck? Stuck? Say stuck. Say stuck. Get out from the seat. Look at him. He's on top of the seat again. Why'd you do that for? You know when to stop. Stuck. Go. Stuck. Go, 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 go. Turn, turn, turn. Stuck. Stuck. Put two hands. Okay, come on, stop, stop, no, no! Aaron, stop! 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 We're gonna go inside! Well, yeah, that's the way to stop. Come on, we're going inside. Come on, it's cold. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Come on. It's cold. It's cold. It's too cold. It's cold. You better get up. No, inside. Inside with mom. Mom. Go up, mom. Stuck. Kiki, get away. Oh, yeah, you too, baby. Stuck. Up, up. Whoa, whoa. Go inside. Yeah, you papa, wow, wow. Papa, wow, wow. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Stuck. Over here. Call mama. Call mama because you're stuck. You can get baby. Baby's over here. Baby. Say ew. Come on, stuck up. Come on, let's go. Papa? Papa? Come on. Look,
no,
Grandpa.
Kiki. No,
Grandpa.
Kiki.
He hit her hard. Watch, I'll show you the tape.
What? Kiki.